Hey guys, this is Matt with the Comax Gaming, and welcome to another C++ tutorial. I know I have not uploaded videos for like 2 weeks, and I am very sorry for that, but I haven't had that much time to record videos, or edit them, or even upload them. I've been doing some work stuff, and yeah, kind of complicated weeks, but now I have a bit of free time, so I think I can record some videos, at least for the following weeks. But yeah, if I don't record videos or upload videos for like a week or so, it's because of that. I'm just too busy to do stuff, and it sucks, I know, but I cannot avoid that. So yeah, I'm sorry again. And today we're gonna do while loop. As in the last tutorial we did for loops. So we're gonna do while loops, and yeah, let's get started. Oh yeah, before we start, the previous tutorial got it got only 16 views, guys, and that is not much. So if we cannot increase this value, also the likes, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to end with the series and start something else, because if this doesn't work, well, I guess something else is not working. So yeah, please try to share the video with people you know, maybe who are interested in learning C++ or anything. Just share it with them. Do me that favor. You're learning all this for free, guys. So yeah. Anyway, while loops. A while loop is like a for loop, but only with one, actually two less things. The while loop structure is like this: while, and only one thing goes in here, and that is the condition. Whereas the for loop had three things, like you remember the init, the condition, and and the code to run, blah 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 blah. This one, the while loop, is only going to have the condition. So unlike the for loop, we are going to be able to run this code for as long as we want, but in a different way. For example, let's say we want to run a program while, for example, we have a boolean of yes equals true, for example. So if we type while yes, this means while yes equals true, so it's the same thing as typing this. We are gonna see out hello, I don't know, hello, and you're gonna see this is gonna loop forever, because yes is never changing. As you can see, we are looping and looping and looping, never stopping. That's because yes equals true all the time. However, if we type yes equals false and we compile this, it's gonna run only once. Why? Well, because it's gonna go here in the while. It's gonna say, does this variable yes equal true? Well, yes, because it's been initialized with a true value. So we go in the while loop and we see out hello, and then in the next line we set the value of yes to false. That way, when we go up here again and ask if yes equals true, this is going to return false. That way it's gonna exit out of the while loop and go into the next line, which is the return statement. So yeah, very simple, guys. It is very useful and very simple. The while loop is gonna run stuff while this condition is met. Simple as that. So for example, if we want to turn a while loop into a for loop, we can do it by doing the following code. So we declare the variables outside of the while loop. So int I equals 0. Same thing we did it with the for loop. I is less than 10, and we're gonna see out I and end the line, and I plus plus. Whoops. So let's run this, and as you can see, it runs like the program we made in the previous tutorial with the for loop. It is exactly the same, but with a while loop. Now the difference is that we don't have all this code in the same line. We have it all around our program or our source code. But it works just the same. It initializes the variable at 0. It goes in the while loop. It asks the program if I is less than 10, and it is because it equals 0. It prints out this, and then it increments the value of I by 1. That way we go from 0, which is the initial value, to 9, because when this equals 9, when I equals 9, it's gonna go in here, it's gonna print out the value of I, and it's gonna I++. Once it I++ is, well, that's weird to say, it goes up here again and it asks, okay, is I less than 10? Well, no, because I equals 10, so it ends the program automatically and it exits. Where you can use a trick you can do with while loops is do infinite loops. For example, if you do while true and we see out something, then this is gonna as well loop forever. As you can see, it's looping and looping and looping and never stopping. I think while 1 as well, while any number. It's just a trick some people use, so that way you can break the code in here. So if, I don't know, if hello equals false, then break. And if we declare hello equals false, this code is only going to run once. Well, we're not going to see anything. As you can see, we run once because hello is false, and we are asking if hello is false, and if it is false, then we break. So yeah, some tricks you can do. Next thing we're gonna learn is gonna be do while loops, which are kind of the same but a bit different, just a bit different. Make sure you understand the following code because we're gonna use it a lot. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate the video up, share it with your friends, please, because we're not getting as many likes as I would like, as many views as well. So please rate the video up, share it with your friends, anyone you know or anyone you don't know. I don't know. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.